So here we have some little experiments of mineral accretion with fine steel mesh, 2 layers. It's 60 by 60. And the idea is that we can grow the minerals now in the ocean on Zoe by stripping off some of the extra wire. So you can see I'm stripping it off. So you usually don't want to take off so much at one time. But I'm going to take off this whole piece and have this exposed copper, wrap it around Zoe, and then we hope it will grow a good layer of minerals like this, so when we have the wet lab here at Sand Dollar, we can have the gametes and larvae settle and then later plant these back out onto Zoe. And you can see some of them were growing more minerals. We were doing this in tanks in California, and now here we are in Cozumel. And some have more minerals, but some are flaky and some are more sturdy. So I believe if we put it in the ocean, we have a better shot at getting the right type of surface and the right environment here to like impregnate the material for the larvae. That's enough.